go see the chickens, Tommy. Hello, everybody. Welcome.
It's wake up time in Guyana.
Yes, it's wake up time. It's 3 o'clock in Guyana.
It's 3 o'clock in Guyana, is that what that means?
Yeah, it's 3 o'clock in Guyana. So, guys, what we cook, let me show you. We finished the lamb. Look, we have some cashew lamb here. Check out the cashew lamb. So put it in the sun, and let's see. Yeah. No. So we have some cashew lamb, and check it out. We're having some cabbage, some light cabbage curry, like a cabbage salad curry. Check it out.
I had it. It was delicious.
And now we're cooking some shrimp curry. Check it out, look. So she's sauteing the onion. She's my sous
chef today.
Sous chef.
And it is a sous chef.
So we're putting in some nice tomatoes in there.
We're the tasting back here. We're tasting. I'm sous chef and they're tasting.
We also have some fresh curry leaves right here from Charlie's garden, backyard garden. The person who lives there, thank you, is Charlie, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes?
I think so. Shari or something.
And let's put some curry leaves in here.
No, I'm cooking. You're cooking today? Yes, I'm cooking today. Yeah, you got to try my hand first.
You have to try her hand.
I'm Sandy, sous chef.
That's
And
it.
guys, listen, we're going old school with this, okay? Look, where's my karilla? Here. We're cooking it with Saijan or the moringa pods or the drumstick with some karilla, putting it in the curry. We don't have any green mango, so we're using karilla. I'm cooking some shrimp curry. Hi, how are you? And check out the shrimp. We have the shrimp over here, already seasoned, ready to go in there. Some nice little shrimp. So you feel like eating the white belly shrimp. But it's all Gulf shrimp, all wild caught Gulf shrimp, but they're small. We couldn't find bigger ones.
I noticed you didn't put garlic yet.
Not yet, not yet.
Sous chef is staying on top of
Chef
things.
is checking in. Make sure she puts her garlic. We need garlic.
Bye.
All right, guys, so we're putting in some garlic in here now.
Sandy's measuring spoon.
Nice to meet you, Harry. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Harry.
And I'm Sandy, sous chef.
Sandy's sous chef. We need to get her a shirt.
Oh, thank you. I'm not sure.
I know everybody loves her cooking and what she's doing.
Oh, yeah, that's what you want to know. Oh, thank you. And this is some green seasoning, turmeric, ginger, shadow benny, and some celery and all a good seasoning in there.
A little problem here. Technical difficulties, guys. Technical difficulties. Sorry about the shaking. A lot of shaking happening here.
See, that's cooking. I want it to caramelize first with the vegetables so it becomes sweet. And then we'll be putting all the curry and the masala and the curry powder and the turmeric. So that's what I'm putting in. I'm going to put it in here now to start the bunjay also.
The glare is so strong. Yeah. Look at the master sous chef. Look at the wrist action that you have. Look at that wrist action.
Yes, getting this workout in.
We're also going to put the hot pepper in there. So cook up it to start smell that hot pepper smell.
So Sandy,
Like that choking smell when you
this group, the group Sandy's with now is going to be her Thailand street food testers.
Oh yes, yes, yes. They're going to Thailand with us. Okay, we're coming to Thailand. So we let that bunjay a little.
Let the bunjay a little, right?
Alicia from South Africa is saying looking good.
And we're not hitting the pot, we're hitting on the hands here.
Hitting the hands.
Yes.
Look at that. Look at that style. Actually, I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit on my hand too. I'm going to start doing that. I like that.
It damages the pot and your spoon.
Oh, okay.
So while that's cooking, let's go check on all the guys who are cooking here. We have Jake is cooking some iguana, so let's check out Jake. But let's check out Vlad. Hey Vlad, we're going live again. Show me what you cooked so far. Show us what you cooked.
We got fried tilapia. I think this is the chips. Plantain. Yeah, plantain chips.
Oh, look at you. You're the sous chef.
And then we have bangers on this side here. Tommy's favorite, huh?
Oh my goodness! I already had a whole one just for
We had
myself.
to
He
cut it
brought
up.
me.
And then we got some, I did some jerk seasoning, but I fried the fish with the jerk seasoning.
Hey, look what he got here, buddy. I'm not showing you the.
And then we got, you know, we like to fine fish, so we're going to fry with some fine fish left over there.
Sous chef in the house.
Let's check out the fine fish.
What's happening here?
Look, he's frying up. What kind of fish are these, Brad?
These are called pinfish.
Pinfish?
We use this as bait, but we don't throw it to bait afterwards. You can eat bait too.
Yeah, this is nice. Thing that we eat, you know.
John makes
we- yes. So we just fry, you know, we can eat it up with the bone and everything.
Nice.
And there's some snapper head. And a couple of sliced snappers.
Sandy, they're calling you over there.
Oh, and go to Jake.
One more and we're done.
All right, we're gonna check out what Jake's got going on over here. So, hey Jake, we're gonna come by and see what we're live checking it out. Everybody wants to see what you got going on, okay, buddy? Can you have time for a rundown?
All right.
Are we busy? So the
Iguana is wobbling.
chicken in the tree, iguana.
Yes, almost done. Water just got to burn out there.
That smells so good. How long? You cook for like 2 hours? How long is this?
No.
No.
Like 45 minutes.
Okay.
7 of them.
7 nice ones.
It had like it had one big one and
We got look at all the ladies back there. What? All right, we're live. Say hi, everybody. I'll say wait. No. Hi, Sandy back here. Kitchen says hello. We're all live right now, everybody. All right. Everybody's getting ready for taste test. Okay. So Jake's gonna be.
they're doing some colori up there and some hard fowl.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll walk over. Let me check with Bring Sandy.
They had a nice view from the deck there.
And you're gonna give us a song later.
Yeah.
What's the name of the song again?
Let me drink my rum.
Let Me Drink My Rum by Jake. We'll go back over here, Sandy. Sandy, how we doing?
Okay, guys, look. So we've also putting. Look how nice this is bonjali. Let me show you.
Oh, look, the chicken just came over. It's ready. The curry chicken just came over. Wow, that looks nice and thick.
Everything is all local from Florida. The Saijan, the shrimp,
And everything is like you grown, homegrown.
the chicken grown in the backyard. Everything is local.
Organic and local.
Organic and local.
Loving it. So,
Guys, so what I'm doing right now is cutting up some karilla to put in this shrimp curry. And I saw my mom putting karilla in shrimp curry, and I started to do it, and I love it. Give it a nice little bitterness, you know. Let's cut them like in strips, maybe.
The fried.
No, it's like you know how
It's
like
just
mango.
like a mango, yeah.
Yeah.
So you put in that to the shrimp?
Yeah,
Yeah,
curry.
for
You
the
can put in
Saijan.
dal and so. You can put this in dal and so.
Gosh, I never knew that.
And if it, I
is
put
that new to you?
Yeah, it's
Brand new. It sounds good.
Sounds good.
All right.
Delicious. Tastes even better, right?
You get okra and so you put inside.
Ooh, I like okra. I love okra.
This is fun. I'm going to
Let me see. So guys, look.
All right, so I'm gonna go over and check out the.
Here, let's put in all the Saijan to start with.
Okay. And then you can leave it and go around.
So we're out here in Loxahatchee, Florida,
In the Saijan.
and Harry Bassoon and his wife Esther put together a collaboration of just some great YouTube chefs and cooks, and we were invited as one of the guests just to join in and share our Sandy style of cooking with all of theirs. It's just good Labor Day fun cooking, and everybody has a bowl, and we're walking around and sampling, huh, Sandy?
Very amazing. And check out the guava tree over there. I'm eating guava, sorry. And look, the guys are talking.
So Sandy set herself up right next to the guava tree, guys. They're huge, some big ones. So we've already tried a couple, and Mr. Charlie and his wife invited us here. We're about 1.5 acres. Huh?
Everybody go say hello to Suresh and his friends.
Alright guys, Dish, alright, is all his crew over here. This is his posse. Uh-oh. Harry, hey, look at Harry. He's already sampling over here, guys.
Man, I'm ready.
He's ready. What do you got?
This is cook-up rice, chicken cook-up rice.
Alright, then this is our host, Harry Basuna, and his wife, Esther. Thank you again, Harry.
Okay.
Fun day, fun day. So we're going to show you what Sandeep has going on.
Hey guys, it's Caribbean ducks on this corner here. And we just make some pilau, some home style, you know, organic chicken from the backyard.
Good stuff.
You guys are welcome to come out here and try. And if you can't make it now, you can try it for the next event in November. Mr. Harry is setting something up for us. We're all going to be cooking here.
Yeah, man. Another big cookout in November.
Bigger than this.
Bigger, better, larger.
Better, larger.
Hundreds and hundreds of people coming. Look at Harry. He's a master sampler over here. He's amazing. He's a president of Guyana Day also to everybody.
Guys, because Harry's eating some cook-up right now. And look guys, so we have our Saijan in here. And so nice that's cooking up. It smells like Saijan. Oh, I love Saijan. I'm a lover of Saijan.
Good, you're good.
This is it, guys.
Those are your Key West Moringa sticks.
Yes.
Fresh pick. So this is going to cook up a little bit of sand? And then
No, I'm going to add it shrimp here.
Okay, here comes another. What does she have over there? Chicken tray.
What?
Over there, she's bringing a big tray of chicken, I see.
Oh, big chicken, okay. More food.
More food.
So, okay guys, so we have the shrimp here now. Look at it, all seasoned.
Ready for me to try?
Yeah,
See,
yeah.
I'm slacking.
Putting in all that shrimp in there, look.
Do we have a backup sous chef?
A lot of shrimp.
So what in that shrimp? Shrimp and
Seasoning.
Saijan.
oh that is Saijan.
Yeah, and there's a karilla she has in there.
Okay, that looks good though.
Moringa, she said.
Oh, yeah, that's the thing that come from the tree.
Yeah.
That is the moringa.
It's a big long stalk.
Yeah. You have that?
In Guyana, we cook it, yeah. We put it in fish curry, shrimp curry.
You can walk it. You can help yourself over there.
All right.
The cabbage is ready, and so is the lamb.
Yes, you guys help yourself.
Here, this one. No, this one
That
is.
is shrimp. Shrimp will be done in 10 minutes.
What is that?
That's the lamb, right?
So everybody's just having a little the taste, putting little samples on their plates, and then this is
And
curry.
this cabbage tastes like meat, okay? You guys taste it.
Some nice curry cabbage.
Yeah, man. Come eat some of the shrimp curry.
The shrimp will be ready in about 5 minutes.
10 minutes, maybe.
So this is the mutton. How's that tasting?
Very nice.
Very nice or absolutely amazing?
Amazing.
Amazing. Get him with his mouth full.
I do it.
Good one.
Oh, you got nothing.
Cooking the shrimp now. Shrimp is not going to take long.
I'll be mind upon the other side, John.
Look, I'm putting
No. 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes.
Karilla in it.
Karilla?
I'll put some karilla in it.
Yeah. Tastes good, yeah. Like something like kalonji. You get a taste.
Kalonji curry, guys. This is there you go. This is kalonji curry, guys. Kalonji curry.
And Chris, right? What you singing? What's the name of your songs?
Songs?
Yeah.
Mostly in the sentimental Indian songs.
Okay, that's what it was. Sentimental. Yeah. Your style, man. I meant your style of singing. Sorry. He was amazing at the Guyana Day. We went to the.
Yeah. He was one of the singers.
Independence Day from was put on by Guyana Day. He was one of the guest singers.
Guys, so this is the lamb here.
Thank you. Wanted you walk down and say hi to everybody. What's your phone?
Did you went by
I did, but he wanted you to come down and say hi.
Okay.
Well, 450.
Guys, so I'm gonna let this bunji here. I'm gonna cover it. And I start bunji. And And then we'll put a little bit more green seasoning, and we'll also put some karilla. As soon as it starts to spring some water, as soon as it starts to release its natural water, I'll put some
All the food's over
cucumber.
What are you cooking there, Sandy?
I'm cooking some shrimp curry.
She has the curry cabbage and
I have curry cabbage and lamb.
I want to come to your curry.
Okay. And then this here is gonna take like 10 minutes and it will be finished.
those
Okay?
are you can
Cover it? Yeah. So we're gonna cover this.
set it right behind it.
Yeah, this is gonna take 10 minutes and it'll be finished.
Yeah.
No, that's a bigger one. But this part, if this part has story, if it can talk, it has some story.
Next time I see you on Facebook, you're best. I'm Judy. Ever see me reply? Judy.
What's your name on Facebook?
Judy Calhoun. I used to see her, but I really thought she was some bad. I thought she was stable, stationed in Ghana. Never know she's in.
Yeah, Florida girl.
I'm here in Jupiter. I know
Never know that.
Nice. I'll come visit you. You live here?
Yeah, I live in Boyton.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice curry shrimp.
All right, it'll be ready about 10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes of curry shrimp. Guys, come back with your curry shrimp.
Gayatri says, Sandy, you really cook, girl.
Look at it.
God
guys.
bless your hands.
Look at this curry
Gayatri in
shrimp.
the house.
In a little bit.
I'm waiting for it. When I want the moringa to taste that moringa.
There you go.
Yes.
Everybody's ready. We're fighting the heat, but we're enjoying it.
What do you have here?
Let's go over by.
Hold on, bud. There you go.
Hello everyone. While that's cooking, and then I'll put some karilla. But let's go see and check out the iguana. Let's go check on Jake. Chilling with Jake. Look, everybody brought something here. Everybody's eating. Look, guys, don't forget to go get some lamb and cabbage.
I had to love and come back.
And the shrimp will take 10 minutes. Shrimp is finished. Let's go check out Jake. Hello.
Iguana.
Let's check out on the iguana, guys. This is the chilling with Jake iguana here. That looks good there, Jake. So it's cooking down like a dry cook.
Yeah, not too dry though.
Okay. It looks like lamb to me.
Yeah.
When I saw it, I thought it looks like lamb, guys. Let's check this out. And check him out. This is chilling with Jake. So in a little bit, these guys, Jake and Sudesh. Wait. Let me switch. Guys, Sudesh and Jake will be singing in a little bit, featuring their music and things like that. So I'm so excited about that. Yes, curry iguana. So it's tender already.
Yeah, it's good. I think it's good there. I think it's ready to come out.
Yeah. Well, everything is finished for me. Only the shrimp. I leave that last since that's seafood. You know how it is. I don't want to cook it too early and then it's in house. So it's, yeah. That's what I'm saying. I'm not putting any water in that. I'm gonna put it in the same water. Yeah. So I want to say hello to everyone.
Smells good when you go there.
Yeah.
We smell it all over there like that.
I'm using Barbies masala.
Masala, yes.
Barbies masala. Guys, hello, big shout out to Barbies. I'm using Rosignal Market masala. And I'm using Shadow Benny. I have Shadow Benny.
yes.
I love my Shadow Benny.
Sandy put a twist of Trinity style in
Yes, yes.
We had a big issue with Crabble Creek.
Oh,
When by Suresh family, they had on the ground. We say you cook with it. They said no. We don't
No,
use that. We
my
don't use
mom
that.
too. My mom, I'm crazy. It's so expensive here, and they have it because they're not accustomed to it or use it, and you don't know how good it is. You have to.
Yeah, put it in meat. That is, you put it in meat.
Yeah.
Oh, you
Yes,
said you
yes.
know.
I will try to. We're talking about Shadow Benny, guys. Shadow Benny.
Berry or bandania.
Bandanya. Or calantro. The Spanish we call it calantro.
Yeah.
So let's go back over here. Let's check on the shrimp. I just want to show you around what's going on here. Look, we're having some dal rice, I see. Guys, wait for my shrimp curry. Yeah.
Sandy, nice some food, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna see check on my shrimp. Can you come try some of the lamb? The lamb is finished and the cabbage curry is finished. Oops.
I got to try. I'm going to try some. Let me get up there and try some.
You have rice here? Let me get some rice.
I don't have rice, But he's coming to try some.
There's rice over there. So, Sandy, at
How-
what point do you put in the karilla?
I'm gonna put it in like as soon as it releases a little water because I don't want it to melt away.
Okay, so you want it a little crunchy.
Yes, yes. So like you have it whole in your plate.
Okay, it's like
You know?
mango and
Yes, exactly, exactly. Let's check it out, Tommy.
All right, guys.
Let's check it
do
out.
this.
Here. Where is my?
Right here, buddy. Here you go. Yeah, don't grab it like I just did with no lid. So,
Ooh, look at that! Look at that! Guys, look how good
see,
that's
this is a
looking.
surprise. Harry didn't know this was coming today.
Well, that's because the only reason is because that feeling I had with the lamb.
She
So
would,
now, guys, look, I'm gonna throw some of this karilla, bitter melon in here. And you can put, if you had coconut milk, you can put coconut milk in there.
there you go, Vlad. Look at the lamb.
And
The shrimp
this
still
takes a
cooking.
couple more minutes, Vlad.
Good set right there.
Try some of the lamb.
We had Hook and Cook is in the house.
Oh,
He's
yes.
going to do a sample test over here.
Is it cashew lamb?
Yeah, and then I have cabbage.
Okay. Try some.
Don't be shy.
No,
And then
oh, this cabbage looks so nice.
Hot?
Sandy, it looks so nice over there.
Your stuff looks good, and I tasted it. It tastes very good. As always, you're amazing cook.
yeah, let me take this out.
Oh, she had it out?
No, I should have it out, but someone put it back in. I don't know. Just sitting there.
Put it on top? Where did you have it? Right here?
Yeah, yeah.
And it's
Just
burning
to
his hand.
keep it on right.
Thank you.
I'm gonna
There
just
we
let this
go.
cook a little bit.
Put it somewhere. There we go. Watch. And so Sandy's got to taste the hand.
You put one shrimp here for me to taste it.
Oh, remember he's not
That's
bunjari.
fine.
Ooh, that's good. So all it's finished. Is all it needs. Even as soon as I then a karilla done is done. Well, guys, look at this. Oh my goodness, it smells good. I just had a taste. It has enough salt, I feel. And so I'm gonna just let the Saijan, if you look closely, and the Saijan and the karilla, as soon as that's cooked, it's done. So cover this a little bit.
So in a little bit, Jake said he's going to do some singing, and so is the other gentleman. What's the other gentleman's name? Chris?
Suraj.
Suraj, yeah.
Sudesh.
Sudesh is the other gentleman that was just here. He's going to do some singing also.
You're gonna sing soon?
Yeah, he said he's going to
Yeah,
sing a couple songs. They're both a talented artists. We got everybody hiding in the shade over there, getting some catching the shade. We have Sandeep in the background.
So thank you guys. We'll show you a little bit more of the garden later. Like I said, guys, look, so this is just steaming here. As soon as this karilla and this Saijan is finished cooking, this is finished, okay?
Yes, a pot of dal is going to be cooking. Someone just said.
Somebody made dal already.
So we have a lot of different cooking stations. Everybody's getting little samples.
Thank you guys, thank you. We'll come on again in a little bit.
And
Stay
yes,
amazing.
I'm looking forward to the iguana. I
Yes.
love iguana. Sandy cooked it once for me. I love iguana. I love the iguana eggs. They're so creamy. I like it all, guys.
How is it, the shrimp? Somebody had this shrimp. Yes, try some. It's just as soon as I think I'm
Chef Vlad, how's everything? How's that shrimp? You try the shrimp?
try the shrimp, see if I need more salt.
No salt.
Need salt? Okay.
Nice and spicy too.
Yeah, okay. Lamb, cabbage.
Say hi to everybody. Who wants shout out to? Shout out. Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Hi,
Shout
how
out.
are
There you go.
you?
All right. Everybody's sampling good stuff.
Very good, very good.
We got their bowls, and more people are coming.
But the shrimp not done yet. Let me show you. Come.
No. We want the shrimp
Look,
nice
as
and
soon
firm.
as the
We don't want it
karilla
mushy.
finished, and as soon as the Saijan finishes done, you see?
You want a little bite to your shrimp. Firmness.
Yeah, I know. Done. It's just, yeah.
Really nice, Tom.
You're gonna eat a belly full. What? You on a diet?
Oh, yeah.
Oh man.
Watch a little bit of what I ate, but I'm waiting for that shrimp.
I know shrimp look amazing.
Just the shrimp.
All right.
Yeah,
Looks really good, man.
Okay, let me see. Take a taste. Take a taste. You're live. You can tell the truth.
Tony gonna try this shrimp.
Tony's gonna try it. It's nice and hot.
Oh, it's very tasty.
Very tasty.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
I see you cook on TV now. I taste you for real.
I like my green tea.
Number one.
The real deal. This is a friend and a fan. First time meeting Sandy and trying her food.
Yep.
Thank you so much. All right, guys. Say goodbye,
I
everybody.
love my garlic.
You leaving?
We'll come back again.